Welcome to TT's Corner. Today we have to discuss the findings of the long-awaited, yes, exactly 3 years investigation by the Integrity Commission in regards to Prime Minister Andrew Holness' statutory declaration. For 3 long years, Jamaicans, yard and abroad, heard members of the opposition party, the People's National Party, using 2 words like a dagger at Prime Minister Andrew Holness, called statutory declarations. That's it, statutory declaration. There was even accusation from people that Mr. Holness robbed millions of dollars from the country's coffers and will be going to jail because the Integrity Commission will be doing a thorough and in-depth investigation. We waited with bated breath to hear the charges being laid and the plea from the Prime Minister or even an apology, only to hear that the Director of Corruption, Prosecutor Keisha Prince Kamika, rejecting recommendation by the Director of Investigation, Kevon Stevenson, for the Prime Minister to be charged. Mrs. Prince Kamika ruled that a viable case couldn't be mooted. In other words, the Prime Minister's words ring truth. And I want to know if Mr. Stevenson is oozing orange. I'm just asking. I can't stop stress that the commission took 3 years to investigate, costing millions of dollars, and to find out that it was a measly 384,000 Jamaican dollars being queried. You heard me right, everybody. 384,000 Jamaican dollar. And to add insult to injury, the money doesn't even belong to Andrew Holness. That 384,000 don't even belong to Andrew Holness. The money belongs to his parents and a former, yes, former, Lord of His mercy, office manager. Now I am going to give you a breakdown of the 384,000 in dispute. His mother, Mrs. Holness, has 2 bank accounts. One holds 300,000 Jamaican dollars. The other holds 67,000 Jamaican dollars. His daddy, Mr. Holness, bank account have $11,000 in it, and Mr. Holness office manager has an account with 823 Jamaican dollars. You hear me say? 823 Jamaican dollars. And Lord of His mercy, the only connection Mr. Holness has with the account is his parents have their account and they put the child name in it in case of emergency. What any parent, include myself, would do. I have my account, I would put my child name in it. That's it. So the account them does not belong to Mr. Holness. So, with that explanation, I don't understand why Mr. Stevenson is asking for Mr. Holness to be charged. So, and also, this investigation of $384,000 cost the Jamaican people, taxpayers, millions of dollars. Millions of dollars was wasted. We could have done something else, because even with this investigation, the Integrity Commission hired international forensic investigators. And trust me, that costs a pretty penny to investigate Mr. Holness too. And after 6 months, they said they found nothing, absolutely nothing illegal was happening with Mr. Holness affairs, his financial affairs. So wait. What me I say right now, I am not a student of law. So I am not, so I would like someone who knows, they can tell me. Can Mr. Holness and him family them sue? I want to know. Can them sue for all of this and the mudslinging that went, and the muddy up of their name? I want to know if them can sue. And my next thing is there, right about now, with all that money wasted and all these things, should we bother have an integrity commission? Because all I see is they're wasting money, and them investigation is a dud. And it don't make no sense to me. No sense at all. So me want to know from people what you guys think. If you don't agree with me, so they need to get rid of the Integrity Commission or revamp it, scrap it, clean it up, and maybe some members, because there was leak, like a faucet coming from out there. You understand me? So maybe them have to take out some of these members and shuffle up the deck and wheel and come again. Because something right in there, so. And it seems like them just wanted to muddy the water and dirty up the man name. And let me fix my statement. The Honorable Andrew Holness. Yes, honorable. Because with all of this we go on, and this result, me have to end up call the man improper name, the Honorable Andrew Holness. So right now, just for what we have learned, that nothing never happened, no mismanagement, no thief in the money never happened. The man still have him good up name. And the Integrity Commission want to shuffle up the deck and wheel and come again. So that's it for now, folks. So please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share. Yes, comment and let me know if you agree with me or not, because I value you guys' opinion. Thank you and have a blessed night.